Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to 3 Minute French Course 1. I'm Kieran and I'm a language tutor based in the UK, and I wrote this course to help you to learn to speak French. This course is based on the method I developed for teaching languages, which I use in all my classes and courses. The method will get you speaking quickly, without the struggle normally associated with language learning. If you've tried to learn a language before and have failed, well then give this course a go, as it's perfect for you. We are all human beings, which means we all possess the attributes that make us human beings. There's a wonderful quote by a man called Terence. He said, "I am human, and nothing that is human is alien to me." What I take that to mean is that if one person is capable of something, then we are all capable of it, because we're all humans too. There's nothing in the world that I cannot understand if somebody before me has succeeded in understanding it. Therefore, it's only logical that since there are more than 200 million people in the world who have managed to learn to speak French, then you can learn it too. Anyway, philosophizing over. Let's begin. French in 3 minutes? I hear you cry suspiciously. Yes, this course is intricately designed to get you speaking French in the shortest time possible. I've created this course as a complete French course for the complete beginner, who only has a few minutes to spare each day. Everything you need is contained in this course, and I've set out each lesson so that they can be completed in short bursts for whenever you find yourself with a moment of freedom. Before you start this course, let me share with you an extremely handy learning tip that helped me to progress quickly and effectively in language learning. When most people start studying anything, they tend to spend the first day or two studying for hours and hours and get through loads of work. However, very quickly, this begins to dwindle. You might feel like spending hours studying French, which is great, but you want that feeling of motivation to continue. And it won't continue if you actually spend hours studying. Limit your study time to chunks of just 3 minutes, no more. If you limit your studying to just 3-minute chunks, there are 3 things that will happen. Firstly, you'll maintain enthusiasm. If you want to learn anything, you have to maintain enthusiasm, or else you won't continue. If you limit your study time to just 3 minutes, you'll keep French fresh and exciting, and you'll be eager to learn. If you spend hours studying, very quickly you'll get bored with French, and it will turn into a chore. Secondly, you'll have more consistent studying. It's much better to study for 3 minutes once a day than to study for 3 hours once a week. A spare 3 minutes is relatively easy to find, even in the most hectic of schedules. If you make sure you complete at least one 3-minute study session every day, it will quickly become a habit that you'll do without thinking. It's much easier to fit in a daily 3-minute habit than a weekly 1-hour habit. By doing this, you'll become a much more consistent learner, and consistency is the key to success. Thirdly, you'll achieve more effective memorization. This is my favourite reason as to why you should limit your study to just 3-minute chunks. If you study something for just 3 minutes every day, you'll trick your brain into memorizing the information more quickly than if it were to see the information for hours each day. It will think, I see this information every day, so it must be important. But I don't see it for very long, so I'd better hold on to it and make it into a memory fast. You'll be amazed at how much more easily things tend to stay in your brain if you limit yourself to just 3 minutes a day. So 3 minutes is the key. You should aim to do at least one 3-minute chunk every day. Any more than that is a bonus, but one is fine. Just listen to the course and complete the exercises, that's all. You'll be amazed at how much you learn.